You're sleeping 7 to 8 hours every night, but somehow you still wake up tired. You grab a cup of coffee, push through the morning. By afternoon, your energy crashes again. Sound familiar? Millions of people live like this, exhausted, frustrated, and confused. And most of them don't know the real reason. Let's fix that. Here are the hidden causes of constant tiredness. Stick around. The last one might explain everything. First, let's talk about something most people ignore: vitamin deficiencies. You can eat 3 full meals a day and still be low on critical nutrients, especially vitamin B12, iron, and vitamin D. These are the real fuel for your energy levels. Low B12 can cause brain fog, weakness, even numbness. Low iron affects your oxygen flow, so your body tires quickly. And vitamin D, it impacts your mood, bones, and immune system. And the wild part? Most people are low in one or more of these, without knowing it. A simple blood test can reveal it all. Now let's move to a silent energy killer: stress. You might say, "I'm not that stressed." But your body could tell a different story. When you're constantly busy, rushing, or worrying, your adrenal glands pump out cortisol, the stress hormone. In short bursts, it helps you, but in the long run, it drains your body. You feel tired, wired, and emotionally flat. This is called adrenal fatigue, and it doesn't improve just by sleeping more. You need real recovery: walks, deep breathing, proper meals, digital breaks. Your nervous system needs time to reset. Next up, a hidden energy trap: blood sugar crashes. Ever feel super energized after eating, and then suddenly sluggish an hour later? That's your blood sugar playing games. Processed foods, soda, sugary tea, or skipping meals all cause spikes and crashes. And when your blood sugar crashes, so does your energy. You feel sleepy, grumpy, and distracted. The fix? Eat balanced meals with protein, fiber, and healthy fats. And don't skip breakfast. It sets your whole day's rhythm. Now here's a scary one: sleep apnea. You might be in bed for 8 hours, but still wake up feeling like you didn't sleep at all. Sleep apnea blocks your breathing briefly, multiple times a night. It keeps your brain from entering deep sleep. You may snore loudly or wake up gasping. Most people don't even realize they have it. They just feel tired every morning, no matter what. If this sounds like you, speak to a sleep specialist. There are simple tests that can literally change your life. Let's not forget something super basic: dehydration. Even mild dehydration slows your brain, lowers focus, and kills energy. Yet most people don't drink enough water. Relying on coffee or soda, that's not helping. They dehydrate you further. Start your day with a full glass of water before caffeine. Keep sipping water throughout the day. Sometimes fatigue is just your body asking for hydration. Now, here's the one that hits hardest: mental overload. Constant notifications, scrolling, multitasking. Your brain is always on. And just like your body, your brain has limits. Mental exhaustion can feel like physical fatigue. You're tired, but can't sleep. You're resting, but still wired. Sound familiar? You need silence. Even 10 minutes of quiet time daily, no screens, no talking, can reboot your mind. This small step helps restore real energy, the kind coffee can't give. So if you're tired all the time, get your blood work done. Check your sleep. Eat balanced meals. Drink real water. And give your brain some peace. Because your body isn't lazy. It's just begging you to listen. For more doctor-backed health advice, hit subscribe. Because at My Doctor Hub, we believe your health deserves real answers.